Vivo has launched its new affordable Y series phone in China called Vivo Y72T. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y72T features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a tall 90.62% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, coupled with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y72T supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, the smartphone carries an 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f1.8 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging, and it runs on Android 11 out of the box with Origin OS 1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.8 by 75.3 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 199.8 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y72T has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1399 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1599 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Deep Space Black, Blue Sea, and Star Trail powder color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from May 31st. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y72T smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.